Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed the basic concept of addition. In this video we will learn vertical addition. Today our topic is vertical addition. We add units to units and tens to tens. Here a chart has been shown. Addendum 1 is 33 and addendum 2 is 4. We use this symbol to show the addition. We start from units. Here we can see that in units column there is 3 and 4. We will add 3 and 4. In 3 we will add 4. Now count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will write 7 in units column. After the addition of units we will move towards the tens. In tens there is a number 3. There is nothing to add in it. So we will write this number as it is. If we add 33 and 4, we get 37. Here addendum 1 is 21 and addendum 2 is 6. We will use this symbol to show the addition. First of all we start from units. We have to add 1 and 6. In 1 we will add 6. Now count the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will write 7 in units column. Then what will we do now? Can you tell me? After the addition of units, we will add tens. In tens there is a number 2. So as we have nothing to add in it, we will write it as it is. If we add 21 and 6, we get 27. I repeat, if we add 21 and 6, we get 27. Here a chart has been shown and we have addendum 1 30 and addendum 2 9. And we use this symbol to show the addition. We will write 3 in the tens column and 0 in the units column. First of all, we will add units. In units column there is 0 and 9. We will add 0 and 9. In 9, if we add 0, it means we are adding nothing in it. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means if we add 0 and 9, we get 9 because adding 0 means we are getting the same number. And in tens column we can see that there is only one number, that is 3. We have nothing to add in it. So we will write it as it is. It means if we add 30 and 9, we have the sum 39. Here we have the numbers. Addendum 1 is 30 and addendum 2 is 20. And we use this symbol to show the addition. In first addendum, if we see that, we will write 3 in tens column and 0 in units column. Same, if we see addendum 2, this is also 2-digit number. So we will write 2 in tens column and 0 in the units column. We start from units. If we add 0 and 0, what will we get now? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. In 0, if we add 0, we get 0. So we will write 0 in units column. After the addition of units, we will move towards tens. In tens column, if we see that there are two numbers, 3 and 2. Now we will add 3 and 2. In 3, if we add 2, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5. We will write 5 in tens column. It means if we add 30 and 20, we have the sum 50. Here we can see that first addendum is 31 and addendum 2 is 25. We use the symbol of addition. First of all, we start from units. We will add units first. In units column, if we see that there is 1 and 5, we will add 1 and 5. In 1, if we add 5, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will write 6 in units column. What will we do now? Can you tell me? We will add tens. After adding the units, we will move towards the tens. In tens column, there is 3 and 2. Now add 3 and 2. In 3, if we add 2, we get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we get 5. We will write 5 in tens column. It means if we add 31 and 25, the sum is 56. A chart has been shown in addendum 1 is 21. We will write 2 in tens column and 1 in the units column. In the same way, we will write addendum 2, that is 16. 1 in the tens column and 6 in the units column. We use this symbol to show addition. First of all, we start from units. We will add 1 and 6. In 1, if we add 6, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will write 7 in units column. After addition of units, we will move towards the tens. Now in the tens column, if we see that there is 2 and 1, now add 2 and 1. In 2, if we add 1, we get 1, 2 and 3. So we will write 3 in tens column. It means if we add 21 and 16, the sum is 37. In this video, we have discussed vertical addition. In the next video, we will learn addition word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.